Hey, it's Kyle, Metro 57. I want to speak to why my phone rings and people call me. First of all, I answer my phone. If my phone goes to voicemail, it's because I'm in a meeting with somebody that is infinitely in a bigger situation than the one that's calling me, but I try not to let my clients go to voicemail. So first of all, I try to answer their calls. And that immediacy to the phone being answered and listening to their plight, listening to their problem is I am there to solve their problems. My clients know that I solve problems, make their jobs easier, and if I can make their jobs easier and get on it fast, I get calls on a lot of work that other people would never get because one, they let things go to voicemail and don't return voicemails for 3 days and act like it's a big deal that their phone rang. Man, in my opinion, that phone rings, there's a $ behind it. Jump, make your client's day better by returning that phone call. And that's why I get calls. So hope that helps. Give me a call if you want to talk about business.